Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and welcome to day 22 of Wax Vent. So it's a very quick one here. We're not going to do the explanation first. We're going to go straight into this particular patient. Came in to see myself actually, and is also a fan of the page, so hello if you're watching. So straight away you can see we've got this tissue paper that's been pushed over the top of the eardrum.
That's deep.
Very deep, very deep. The patient actually admitted wrapping some tissue around a cotton bud to dry the ears after a shower. So yeah, it's kind of broken off. Obviously with the wet ear canal and tissue paper, as you can probably imagine, they don't go well together. No. So it's broken off inside. So we've gone straight in with a load of olive oil just to try and keep all of this tissue paper together. So we very slowly, we're just getting a suction grip on this paper.
It can dry out a bit sometimes, can't it? And stick to the canal wall, which is why it's good to put the olive oil in. It just absorbs back in and softens it.
And we don't want it to break apart in little pieces either, because that can also happen. But yeah, we've managed to take a big plug away, and luckily that was it. So it's a very quick one to start with there, guys. Very short and sharp. Yeah,
you never know what you're going to get behind those either, do you? Because sometimes there'll be a lot of skin behind it, like that's been trapped, or bits on the actual eardrum itself.
Yeah, so we got a nice little centimetre of tissue paper.
Oh, that's pretty inch.
Just under a half.
It's probably just under. I think that was just over a quarter of an inch. I think that was.
We'll call it a quarter.
That's what it is now, anyway. So I think this one's mine. I think we mixed her up today. I think this one's mine. I think so. Weirdly, somebody on TikTok yesterday going, "Do you think these guys just dub over somebody else's video because they never seem to know what's going on?" You've got to remember, guys, we've done these probably about a week ago. We've seen a lot of ears, a lot of earwax since then, so we do forget a little bit. But this patient's come through. You can see this really kind of golden coloured wax. Now you tend to find with these types of wax, they're either really soft like this one is here, or they're tough and they tend to be a lot more skin based. But this one looks quite loose, but you can see that golden.
Oh, it's a thin.
Yeah, it's sort of all wrapped around the edge where the skin's got to the outside edge and then come away a little bit and just fall and collapsed a little bit into the ear canal itself. But we've switched down now to a fine end on this one just to minimise any risk of clarinetting. And we've got a good grip on this one.
That's coming away quite nicely.
That came away really well, because they can sometimes just tear away in tiny little pieces, can't they?
We need to do wax vent.
Yes, if you've never seen Wax Vent, I tell you what, we've got a good subscribe thing as well.
Oh yeah.
So guys, if you've never seen Wax Vent before, Wax Vent is a little present from us to you at Christmas time. So we're posting new videos from day 1 to day 25, like a little advent calendar for wax for you guys, so just in case you never come across it. If you do enjoy these videos, guys, you can always give us a thumbs up. There you go. Only one this time.
Oh, sorry.
Or if you really enjoy them, you can click the subscribe button, which is in one of the corners, and I can never remember which one. But that would be great. Click the little bell that goes along with it, and you will get notified every single time we post a new, lovely, delicious earwax video for you.
Delicious.
Yeah, but a little choice of word to that one. But you can see it's this one's very similar on this side. We had this little bit of dry skin on the outside part of the ear, soft little wax plug there in the middle, which has been wrapped like a little present at Christmas time in some dead skin around the outside edge.
Perfect this time of year.
No bow on that one though.
No bow.
No bow. But yeah, you can see you've got this very deep piece of wax there. Skin coming away nicely.
Yeah. You always find those little thin pieces tend to hold on as well. They go so far and they just kind of hold in place, and they don't tend to want to come away quite easily.
Yeah.
Oh, they don't want to come away easily, I should say.
No, they don't. Easily. They don't. It's a difficult one, because with those as well, with those skin ones, we always peel until we meet some resistance, and then we stop at that point, because that skin is then very firmly attached, and it's not going to come out very well then. Yeah, it's coming away. It's all that's a little bit of that.
Oh, I can see it all unraveling.
Wax all coming away now. Speaking of skin, make sure you stay tuned for Christmas Eve's video. If you love a skin ribbon, this is your man this year.
Got a very good one to show you on Christmas Eve, guys, so stay tuned for that one.
Taylor Green's going. I think on Christmas Day, the video we have there, that is one of the biggest wax chunks I've taken out. That one on Christmas Day is one of the biggest ones. It's not the biggest, I don't think, but he ain't far off. So you can see a very different ear canal there, guys. Lots of toffee coloured golden earwax in that one. So I'm going to say 1.5 inches or just over.
Going across the colour gradient as well, from brown to yellow.
Little wax rainbow. Actually, it was just over 1.25 inches. I'm sorry,
Inch and
not
a
1.5
quarter.
inches.
Three, just over 3 centimetres.
Well, thank you very much for watching our Waxfed video today, guys. Me and Taylor, the A team, will be back tomorrow for you again on day 23. We're getting very, very close to Christmas. Hope you've all been good boys and girls this year. You can start it off this time.
Don't forget to take care of yourselves.
And take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we shall see you in day 23. 23. 23. 23. Bye. Bye.